Title: Introduction to Chat, Building a Simple Chatbot. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on using Chat to build a simple chatbot. In this video, we'll cover the basics of Chat and walk you through the steps of building your own chatbot. First, let's start with a brief introduction to Chat. Chat is a large language model developed by OpenAI that is capable of generating natural language responses to a wide range of input text. It is particularly well suited for building chatbots, which can be used for customer service, virtual assistants, and other applications. To get started with Chat, you'll need to have some basic programming knowledge and experience with Python. If you're new to programming, we recommend starting with some beginner-level Python courses and tutorials before diving into Chat. Assuming you have some basic Python skills, the first step in building your chatbot is to install the required packages. We'll be using the Hugging Face Transformers library, which is a popular and easy-to-use library for working with language models. You can install it using pip. Copy code. Pip install transformers. Once you have the transformers library installed, the next step is to load the Chat model. We'll be using the GPT-2 variant, which is a pre-trained model that has been fine-tuned on a large corpus of text data. Here's how you can load the model in Python. Makefile. Copy code. From transformers import automodel for causal, auto-tokenizer. Model underscore name equals GPT-2. Model equals automodel for causal.from underscore pre-trained model underscore name tokenizer equals autotokenizer.from underscore pre-trained model underscore name. Once the model is loaded, you can start generating responses to input text. Here's a simple example that generates a response to the input text "Hello, how are you?" Makefile. Copy code. Input underscore text equals "Hello, how are you?" Input underscore ids equals tokenizer dot encode input underscore text. Return underscore tensors equals pt output underscore ids equals model dot generate input underscore ids. Output underscore text equals tokenizer dot decode output underscore id 0. Skip underscore special underscore tokens equals true print output underscore text. This will generate a response like "I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How can I assist you today?" Of course, this is just a simple example, and to build a more sophisticated chatbot, you'll need to incorporate more advanced techniques like natural language processing, user intent recognition, and dialogue management. But this should give you a good starting point for building your own chatbot using Chat. That's it for this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tutorials on AI and machine learning. Thanks for watching.